Hi, good evening all. Welcome to SS Creation. In this video, we are going to look at what happened with respect to our view on today's market and what is our prediction for the tomorrow's market. Also, do pause the video and read the disclaimers. If you like the video, do hit on the like button. If you like the contents, do subscribe for regular updates on the stock market as well as our other videos which we are posting. Then only you will get alert. If you feel this content is very informative, do share it with your friends and relatives so they can also make use of it. Friends, today watch the video till the very end because in today's video we are going to give a small piece of information what is going to be the video for this weekend. This video which we are going to post this weekend will be for the risk-free investors, for the retired people, for the students who want better return for their money which they have in the bank. Now we will see how Nifty has performed today based on our view. In morning, Nifty has broken our buy side and it has hit our target 1. Post that in the afternoon, market has reversed and it has broken on the bearish side and it has broken all our targets and it has exactly reached our max target of 15,600. If you see overall in Nifty, we could have made it 145 points today. So approximately 12,600 rupees. Now we will have a look at Bank Nifty. Today, Bank Nifty was so violent. In the morning, it has gone on to the buy side, it has hit our both targets, and in the afternoon it has broken on the bearish side, it has gone on to hit the maximum target which we have given 200 points, and furthermore it has gone down. See, actually Bank Nifty is very bearish overall, so whenever it goes on the sell side it keeps falling drastically. If you see the candle also, the 10-15 minutes candle which the big fall was there, it is entirely in the 15 minutes once it broke on the sell side. Post 15 minutes it started to move sideways. So Bank Nifty is very weak. Investors be cautious on banking stocks and traders be cautious with Bank Nifty, as we could see a violent move on both sides. Now we will see how the stocks has performed based on our view. Rally's gone on to the buy side and it has hit all our targets, and overall 17 rupees per share was a profit for 200 shares, 3,400 rupees. And with respect to Tata Consumer, it went very close to our buy side but it did not trigger the buy side. It reversed and it triggered our sell side, and it was just 2 rupees short of our second target. So we will consider only it has hit our first target, so 6 rupees per share, which is 1,200 rupees for 200 shares. Today overall in index we could have made approximately 20,000 rupees, and with respect to stocks 4,600 rupees. So overall our profit for the day is 24,000 based on our view. Now we will see the index and the stock view for tomorrow's session. I am expecting a range bound market tomorrow, and it will be a good day for option sellers in the market tomorrow. I am not too bullish on both Nifty and Bank Nifty for tomorrow's market, though based on the technical analysis 15,705 to 15,711 could be the buy side, and Nifty could be on a bearish side. If it breaks 15,656, it can go on to hit the target of 15,632, 15,600, 15,570 to the maximum of 15,500. On the other hand, Bank Nifty could be bullish above 35,133 and it can be bearish below 34,922, and it can go on to hit the target of 34,892, 34,846, and it can reach till 34,700. With respect to the stocks, again we are taking 3 stocks today. One is Rallis, Bharati Airtel and Tata Consumer. Rallis could be bullish above 342.25 and it can maximum go till 360, and it can be bearish below 337.5. It can reach till 315. Intermittent targets can be seen in the screenshot. Similarly, Bharati Airtel, it is bullish above 543.5 and it will be bearish below 534.5. And Bharati Airtel, if it breaks on the bull side, it can reach till 560, and if it goes on the bearish side it can reach till 520. Tata Consumer can be bullish above 709 and can be bearish below 702, and Tata Consumer can reach till 735 to 742 to the max, and if it goes on a bearish side it can reach till 676. I'm here with updating all the profit sheets. You can go through the profit which we could have attained based on the view on a daily basis. Achieving Financial Goal Part 3 video is getting ready. Hopefully this weekend we will be viewing this particular video, and here we are going to discuss about investing in stock market for the risk-free people like students or retired people or people who has very less money to invest, but they are very fond of investing in share market to gain more return, but they are also very much afraid about the risk involved in the stock market. For those people, this particular video will be very useful. Here we will be seeing how to invest in stock market with a return of 10 to 15%, even with 1000 to 2000 rupees in hand. Or whenever you have money, you can keep on adding these particular stocks. So you will get some 10 to 15% of return. How to invest? All these things we will be seeing in the weekend video. Achieving Financial Goal Part 3 video. Do pause this particular screen and go through this particular screen so you can also come prepared, and for all your doubts you will get clarification in the part 3 video. This video is not specific to any age group. In fact, it will be more beneficial for students, elders, retired people, and for people like you and me who want better return without any risk or with very minimum risk. If you have still not subscribed to the channel, do hit on the subscribe button. Do like the video if you feel the content is good, and if you feel the content is informative, do share it to your friends and relatives for them to be benefited. Thanks for watching the video. Have a great day.